Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're watching the stock Monger. This is Ali Abbas. Okay, so today got caught up with the rally. I had some put shorts and some call shorts. My calls came in the money, and yeah, it threw me off a bit, but not a problem. I've been recording this video about the trades that I'm doing on a bi-weekly basis and how I make the adjustments and how I book the profits, and I keep shifting. So well, I'll be happy to share that with you once the expiry is over. Let's see how that happens. Tomorrow I have two call shots which are in the money, and yeah, I was just paralyzed as to what should I do with that. Let's see. I'm still hoping for the best. Otherwise, I'll just have to roll over to the 1st August and see how we can make a good profit over there. That being said, let me share all the levels with you for tomorrow. I'm expecting a gap up opening and around 40 to 50 points on Nifty given the data. The option writing is heaviest around 16,800 and 900, so there will probably be an upside, and if it ranges over there and starts coming down and breaks a swing, if there is any, then we might see a downfall all the way to 16,600 or 16,550. So let's see, let's go on to the levels now. So we are on Nifty 50 15-minute chart, and the trend line that it made over here, as you can see, we opened flat, it pumped up a bit and then it fell down, and then it made a short candle. Now this was not a confirmation of either a down or an up move, so the levels that were drawn initially were over here, and once it started breaking out, my trades went in the money and I got paralyzed, and then I saw this shooting star, this evening star, and I thought, okay, fine, it might just pull back a bit, and then we can look to square it off at a small loss and then shift it. Eventually what happened again is shot back up, it came back down, and then it started moving up again. So yeah, these are the levels for tomorrow. Your first resistance will be at 16,684. I am expecting it to open somewhere over here, and if it spends the first half an hour in this area, it might just break. If it is able to break this level of 16,743, then 16,800 is a sure shot. If it doesn't, and if it breaks and does a price action, we can see a surprise sell-off towards the closing, probably a short covering, or over here once it touches this level over here 16,575, there could be a short covering and a pullback, or if it stays here before 2 o'clock, we could see more of a sell-off. So these are your levels on Nifty 50. This is the chart of Bank Nifty. The mother of all volatility happens only here, pun intended. So the trend line was pretty clear. It opened gap down, same as Nifty 50 did. It started just moving up and rallied a good move of about 500 points from the day's low. That's pretty good. So anybody who had taken calls over here or bought futures after this small gap was covered, which happened on 22nd. So you've probably walked off with at least 250 points, 350 points. That being said, the levels for tomorrow will be the first resistance at 36,860. If that is able to crack, the next one will be at 36,970. Open interest data is confirming that the market will be range bound and probably there will be a spike and a drop. So I'm expecting this to happen, once, because every time I see that the market moves up as a surprise, and if it doesn't sustain in this area, usually what you see is this gap. Okay, this gap is around 36,960 and 36,860. So it's a 120 gap. Okay, so let's go another 120 points. That would be somewhere around this level. So if this gap, okay, if this gap, the size up is not able to, if it rejects over there, just watch out on the 5-minute chart. If there is a red candle, okay, sorry, my drawings are bad. If there is a red hammer type candle, there is a chance that the upper side is rejected and it could be a direct fall. Now how big the fall? This is Bank Nifty. It is, seriously, look at these falls. 1, 2, okay, even this. So that's a small fall, but still Bank Nifty has the ability to move the market like no other. Anyway, these are your levels. Watch out for 37,000. If that rejects and then it starts moving back to 3,700 and breaks, then yes, it could be a big fall. So be careful, always manage your risk. The first level of support is at 36,700, then 36,580, 570. After that, it's just a straight free fall to 36,300. So hope for the best and enjoy your monthly expiry tomorrow.